Hello everyone and welcome. If you're looking to learn sloshing analysis in Abaqus, you're in the right place. Here, our recent post about sloshing. Where, whether you are a mechanical engineer, civil engineer, offshore engineer, researcher, or graduate student, understanding the fluid structure interaction is becoming increasingly important in modern engineering. Tanks, pipeline, offshore platform, fuel containers, and liquid storage system are all subjected to dynamic loads such as earthquake, impact, blast wave, and ocean current. Predicting how the fluid behave inside this structure is essential for designing safe and reliable systems. You can see here that the matter and the subject in this package, and here we have the package overview. Okay. That's exactly why we've created this complete sloshing package in Abaqus. This package contains 16 comprehensive workshops covering uh, the most important techniques for fluid simulation available in Abaqus. Instead of focusing on a single method, you learn multiple approaches used by engineers and researchers around the world. You'll work with couple Eulerian Lagrangian or CEL method, which is one of the most powerful techniques for the modeling large fluid deformation and free surface motion. You'll also learn Lagrangian approach, smooth particle hydrodynamic method, as known as SPH, and the acoustic method for efficient seismic fluid analysis, and Abaqus Aqua for offshore engineering analysis to investigate the small wave of the water. So now let's take a quick look at what you will learn. The package starts with seismic analysis, as you can see it here, of the composite and concrete tank here using CEL approach in Abaqus. Next, you'll study the famous collapsing water column here. Here you can see, and here this is air container, water container, again using Eulerian approach. You also learn how to analyze the barrier concrete tank in the soil. Here we have soil, concrete, and water in that. And if then cylindrical tank and the other uh, steel tank here. And then we have impact engineering. Several workshops focus on water-filled steel pipe. Fluid field contains subjected to high velocity impact and even an air-filled ball impacting on a water surface. This example demonstrates how fluid uh, influence structure behavior during dynamic event. For highly nonlinear, you'll discover the capabilities of the SPH method. You'll model blast loading on a steel drum here, include water or oil uh, with SPH method, and also here we have another tank with CEL method under the closed explosion. And here we have the package of the advanced simulation of liquid storage tank. I said it here. Also the non-Newtonian fluid impact here. The water is modeled here as a non-Newtonian to investigate the impact of the water on the barrier and uh, the flow, uh, the formation, and the wave. And the package also includes the offshore engineering structure. Here we have acoustic model, and then the offshore engineering uh, analysis for the risers under a small wave mode. Here you can see the wave here. These are something like the waves here. Here we have more waves, and actually this package is designed for all the people that want to learn all the matter. For every single workshops here, you will receive the complete CAE model, INP or input file, and detailed step-by-step tutorial video that explain every stage of the modeling. The tutorials cover geometry, creation, material definition, interaction, meshing, analysis steps, boundary condition loading, solver setting, result interpretation, and practical engineering tips. Whenever a workshop is based on a published research, you'll also receive the corresponding research paper allowing you to understand the theoretical background. And by the end of the package, this package, you will be able to perform advanced fluid structure interaction analysis, earthquake simulation, blast analysis, impact simulation, offshore hydrodynamic analysis, and many other nonlinear engineering applications using Abaqus. This training package is ideal for engineers working in the oil and gas industry, civil engineering, aerospace, marine engineering, energy system research laboratories, and consulting companies. It's also an excellent resource for master and PhD students who want to strengthen their simulation ethics. If you'd like to learn more about this package, you'll find the detail in the description here in this page. We define all the things here from first to end. And at the end, we have the payment method. The price for this package is 134 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrencies for the payments. Before payments, contact us through this email to tell you more about the package contents, anything that you want to know. For now, thank you for your attention.